ng pagkuha ng katuray. Yan, kumukuha na si Kuya Amado.
Sesbania grandiflora,
Yan, totoo
commonly
na yan,
known
Kuya.
as vegetable hummingbird, Katuray, agati, or West Indian pea, is a small leguminous tree native to maritime Southeast Asia and northern Australia. It has edible flowers and leaves commonly eaten in Southeast Asia and South Asia. It has many nutrients and substances that are beneficial to human health. The bark of the tree contains tannin and gum. You can also obtain saponin and sesbanimide from the seeds. Flowers contain protein, tannins, oleanolic acid,
Happy na,
camphorol,
katuray na.
cystine,
Ikaw,
isoleucine,
Mads.
asparagine, phenylalanine, valine, nicotinic acid, and also vitamins B and C. It also has carbohydrates, saponins, flavonoids, alkaloids, and glycosides.
Ay, ma'am,
Minerals
paano po
like
ba
calcium and
ang
iron
tamang
are also
pagbalat at
present in a
pag-handle
Katuray
ng
plant.
Katuray.
Ito ha? Pag ganito na siya, bukain mo.
Bukahin.
Bukahin. And then ito tatanggalin mo. Ito lang tatanggalin mo dyan. Ito dahil ito yung mapait. No, ito, ito yung gitna niya. Yan ang tatanggalin mo dyan sa katuray.
Kasi Ben, nagpapatulog, titig na.
Ayan. Ito tatanggalin mo. Tapos ito, yan lang tatanggalin mo dyan. Tapos pagkatapos mo bukain, ibalik mo. Char.
Ano rin doon?